Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add and edit a footer in your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. Where in the upper right corner of the main page, we want to get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. Where at the left side screen, we can now find all the sections we can use for managing our website. So we have home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started with editing our footers. Basically, what we are looking for, guys, is right here, the left side screen. You want to find the plugins section. So open up the plugins section that's going to appear right here, and after opening it up, it's going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can take a look at all the plugins that you can use for managing your website. So at the top of the screen, you're going to have a search bar, and you want to use this search bar. So what we're looking for, guys, is to search for footer. We are going to be looking for this ultimate add-ons for Elementor option. This is a plugin that we can use. You even have some different plugins right here that you can go ahead and manage, but Elementor is the most famous one. This is going to enable you to go ahead and create dynamic headers, footers, and so on that you'll be able to edit and choose how you want them to look in your website. So you can get started with installing by clicking the install button that's going to appear right here. As you can see, currently I'm on a free plan, so I can't install it, but if you have a premium plan, you can install it, edit your website, and start using it for managing your footer. And so that's how easy it is to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.